I'm going to show you guys how you can add a recipe into your food tracker using my app. So open up the app and I'll bring you up to your dashboard. From here, I want you to press the blue plus icon button, and then you want to hit the meal button with the fork and knife icon is the orange button. Once you do that, it's going to pull up this screen, and I want you to tap the Discover tab. Now you're here at all the meals that I have created for you, so you can learn how to create any of these meals. You can add them to your lunch, dinner, or snack. So select a meal. For example, let's look at the steak and egg with hash browns. It's going to pull up a lovely picture. It's going to show you the calories, the protein, carbs, and fat breakdown, how many servings, the prep time, the preparation and cooking time, ingredients, and of course the directions. So just look it over and then you can exit out. If this is what you want to add to your meal, all you want to do is check it off, and then you want to press the add button at top, and it's going to add it to your meals for the day. To double check, just click on that and you can swipe to the right, and it's going to show you that it took it away from your calories, your protein, your fat, and carbs, and it's added. There you go. It's that easy. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.